Good day, I'm a doctor, and I'm recording this video to tell you everything you need to know about Volumepills. Every day, I receive men of all ages in my clinic who are searching for a solution to improve the intensity of their orgasms and semen production. For many men, the amount of semen they produce is more important than the intensity of their orgasm. This is why most sexual partners interpret this as a sign of good sex and that the man is very satisfied with his performance. Men from all over the world have been suffering from a lack of trust because they are producing little seed. This often affects their relationships with their partners, and the relationship does not work well. All men produce semen. However, during a man's lifetime, semen production can be negatively affected by several factors, including age, lifestyle, and environmental conditions. Even if the body can still produce the typical range of sperm, 3 to 5 milliliters, it does not do so very often as the resources are insufficient. If the body receives what it needs to generate more semen, the amount of semen will increase. And for this, you can count on Volumepills. Volumepills work by giving the male reproductive system the nutrients needed to generate more sperm. It also stimulates sperm generation by modestly increasing testosterone levels and restoring hormonal balance in men. Its active elements increase a man's sexual health and the quality of his sperm in several ways. As a result, you will have an amazing sex life. Your partner will beg to have you every night. You will feel more confident and handsome, and filling a woman with your milk will never be a problem again. Because it is a natural product, it has no side effects. However, be very careful. Only the original Volumepills can provide all these advantages. The high demand for this product has led to the appearance of many fakes. But the original Volumepills are only sold on the official website. Fake products, besides not working and making you lose money, can put your health in danger. To help you, I put the link to the official website in the description and pinned comment of this video. This way, you can be sure that you will get the original product. Volumepills also come with a 67-day guarantee where, if for some reason you are not satisfied with the results, just send an email to them, and they will refund 100% of your money. But hurry up, thousands from all over the world are discovering that this product is wonderful and are buying 6 units at once. However, to maintain the quality of the product, only 1,500 units of Volumepills are manufactured per year. This means that high demand can make some people unable to buy soon. Remember that this product is only sold on the official website, and its link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.